Is alimony in your future? If you're thinking about a divorce, this is one of the first questions that comes to mind. I'm Gabrielle Stritch of Stritch Law Firm, and I've been practicing almost 40 years. And I emphasize family law in my practice, so I think I can help you answer that question. First of all, most people don't even know that there are 4 types of alimony in New Jersey. There's open durational, which used to be called permanent, but people were very confused about that because there's a lot of reasons that alimony can end, retirement for one. But open durational makes it more clear that it's for a duration period of time, but it's not forever. You must have 20 or more years of marriage to qualify for open durational, though any judge can make an exception to any of these things. Then, of course, there's limited durational. That's when your marriage is less than 20 years. And the new law from 2014 provides that, normally speaking, you won't pay alimony for longer than the length of your marriage. So you're not going to have a 2-year marriage and pay for 20 years, with certain, unfortunately, exceptions. Then there's rehabilitative alimony. So that's where, let's say you need a special computer training course or finish out college, you've got a year and a half left, and this will put you in a position to have a much better career and earnings, and therefore reduce the payors need to pay to you, which is all good. But the payer has to pay a price for that. They have to pay extra alimony for you to get up to date and available to work again. Then last but not least, there's reimbursement alimony. And reimbursement alimony is when you pay all the expenses of living while the other spouse goes and gets additional education, especially advanced education. There are some factors that come into play here. Was it 20 years ago? Well, you might not get anything. Was it fairly recent and it really enabled that person to earn more money and you have less obligation, or you're going to get more money in alimony because of it? Then you're more likely to get reimbursement alimony. And it's usually, it's not subject to change of circumstance. It is what it is. Well, of course, the next question is, how much? Give me a dollar number, right? Well, in New Jersey, we do not have a formula, at least not officially. We look at 13 factors, which include length of the marriage, age of the parties, health of the parties, and as I said, 13 other factors. So if you need someone very knowledgeable to help you in the alimony maze, call Gabrielle Stritch at Stritch Law Firm. My contact information follows this video.